welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video we are hooking up a beautiful and adorable crochet baby rompers designs ideas. Hope you like this video in different collection. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I've uploaded next video about your comment. Get ready to hook up some cutest with these stylish baby rompers designs ideas, patterns designs ideas. Hopefully you like this video in different collection. So let's get started. First up we have a beautiful floral romper perfect for our spring season. Next we are make a beautiful woodless themed baby rompers designs for these little. Hope so you like this video in different collection and different ideas patterns. So please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. These romper are beautiful and floral print and a comfortable fit. The woodless romper has a fun and playful designs with owls and tree. Hopefully you like these different pattern and themed crochet baby rompers designs ideas, jumpsuit designs ideas. Use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn color and embellishment. Try using different stitches, romper size, width and some colors. Experiment with different yarn color and width to create a beautiful look. And that's it, your beautiful and lovely look comfortable crochet top crochet baby rompers designs are complete, ready to wear, ready to gift your lovely ones, babies, shower and many other events. Hopefully you like this different collection. Which style is your favorite, which designs is your favorite, which pattern is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. I will upload next video about your comment. Share your finished crochet work, dress designs, crochet baby rompers design, frock design, booties design with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work, knitting work and many other ideas. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. And please do not forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, different design, pattern and different videos. DIY tutorial. Hopefully you like this video. See you in the next video. Okay, viewers, take care. Thanks for watching.